Hello, welcome to Traditional Medicine channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video we are going to see the benefits of turmeric. Only a couple of grams of turmeric every day, either as powder, squashed root or new root, can give enough supplements to assist you with avoiding paleness, neuritis, memory issue, and offer security against tumors, irresistible ailments, hypertension, and strokes. Turmeric contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Most studies use turmeric extracts that are standardized to include large amounts of curcumin. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Curcumin will lower your risk of heart disease. Turmeric can help prevent, and perhaps even treat, cancer. Curcumin may be useful in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. Arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Studies show that curcumin has incredible benefits against depression. Curcumin will help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases.
In North India, turmeric is commonly called haldi, a word derived from the Sanskrit word harid, and in the south it is called manjal, a word that is frequently used in ancient Tamil literature.
What is curcumin? Curcumin is an active nutrient in turmeric, which is a brightly colored orange-yellow carotenoid pigment. Thank you for watching Traditional Medicine. Share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments below and share with your friends. Thanks for your support.